look in the sense dark, fair, looking beautiful, not beautiful. This is all the beholder's eyes. God has given us good body, and then we are able to have good coordination with the mind, and we are able to do what we want. This is the asset God has given to us. So many children in the mental health centers, when they are not able to know what is happening to them. So we are gifted, right? We all are gifted. So here nobody is black, nobody is white, nothing. This is all given by the gene, by the family you have inherited. It has nothing to do, your caste, your religion, nothing. What you are going to do is your talent. Only this thing has to speak. You cannot take pride of your family, neither your looks. We were not seeing Gandhiji's looks or Mother Teresa's looks. We were seeing what they did. Yes or no? So our contribution only should speak, not our looks. So contribution will come only when you are satisfied with your needs and you are wanting to satisfy others' needs. So gratitude also is very important. You should learn to respect elders, respect the people who help you, observe people, very, very important. Don't be in your own world, okay? So we have to see what is going around in our world. So this is also very important. So this pandemic is coming to an end, especially in India. France is stating that today's morning's news was France, the fifth wave is taking so badly, they are telling. So now also we have to be fully aware and we have to take all cautious steps to be safe in this country, in this planet, and help others also. Okay, these are the many things we have learned in Corona time also. We pray that our neighbor also should have good health, because if he gets, we will also get affected. So Corona has got lots of good teaching also has happened in this.
Any exercise you have got?
Yeah.
So anything you would like to ask, madam? Like I have faced something, madam. Like most of the children got involved in playing games. So how many of you agree to that? Like you are more attracted towards playing computer games during this pandemic. Mainly boys. Boys, they are facing this problem because they keep playing and they are satisfied with that and they are not able to come out of it. How many of you feel that? How many of you feel that you are still playing and you are not able to come out of it, even if your mother keeps scolding also?
So this also is the mind. When the mind, like Madam said now, how many of you feel that you are not able to stop? The feeling when it comes in your mind, it means you feel yes, what you are doing is not correct. What you are doing is not allowing you to groom your personality. It is not allowing you to be fit mentally and physically. It's not allowing you to write your notes properly. So those things which is not allowing you to do your routine, it's bad. So you have to think, yes, today let me slowly cut down. It's not that immediately if you're fully into such gadgets, it will take time for you. So even for the chain smokers, they say immediately don't stop smoking. Like that, gadgets also. Today, my timing is only this many hours. Slowly, every day, you should cut down by 15 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, like that. So you're using the gadgets should be productive. With this, I learned something, not wasting time. In games, we don't learn anything. It is just a pleasure for the mind for that minute. Later on, it's a guilt feeling for us. You know? So, I guess anybody.
So
I think we are losing time. Lunch time is going.
So we'll be sending you now. Actually, guilt and shame. These are the two things which stops us from learning things. That's what madam is saying. So when you play for a longer time and after that you start developing a guilt, you will even develop shame. And these two things again will stop you from doing learning things. So if you feel guilty and shame, you need to come out of it. Either you'll have to speak to someone, you'll have to take parents' help. If you are not able to get parents' help, you can take teachers' help. Madam is a counselor, okay? She has undergone career guidance and counseling practice she has done during this pandemic, no madam? Yeah, so that is the reason we have used madam here. So if you are not able to self-control yourself, you can take the help of parents. if you are not able to come out of that situation also, you can make use of your own favorite teachers, and if not, then you can go to the counselor, like who is professional. Okay, and ultimately there, when even counselors are not able to do any help to you, they will be sending you for further doctors. There are neurologists. Okay, and if even there we don't have a control, there are people to punish us. Okay, so that those people come into criminals and all that. Police.
What is the first step? Self-control. We need not go through the long journey, but we have to control on what we do and not to misuse the time given to us. Thank you, children, for listening to us, and hope you got some tips. And anything else you have in your mind, you want to share with us also, you can share, or you can come in person also and talk to me if you have any problem. Okay, children, thank you.